Unboxing the Wokie. Unbox the Wokie by removing the lid of the pallet box. Once you remove the lid, you will find a user manual along with the cleaning kit and the Wokie machine inside the box. Make sure to read the user manual thoroughly and then begin the unwrapping process. Cut open the bubble wrap with a knife or a cutter. Be sure to lift the machine from the bottom and support its weight evenly to avoid damaging it. With the help of a partner, lift the machine and place it on a table. The appropriate size for the table should be 3 by 3 square feet in dimension. Now, the Wokie machine is unboxed and ready for you to start the installation. Once the Wokie machine is out of the box, take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage. If you notice any dents, scratches, or other damage, contact the manufacturer or the retailer immediately. Fix the faucet to the wall-mounted half-inch water connector. Now that the Wokie machine is unwrapped, it's time for the installation process. Firstly, inspect the drum for any scratches or dust. Locate the power cord and plug it into a nearby outlet. The machine requires single-phase 230-volt 25 ampere with 5 kilowatt power. Be sure to use a grounded outlet and avoid overloading the circuit. Earthing to be between earth and neutral below 5-volt alternating current. Proceed to switch on the machine. Make sure the power switch is turned on. Once powered on, wait for the display to appear and 2 dialog boxes will appear where you have to check it and press OK. Now you can operate the machine with 2 modes, login as a user and login as a chef with a passcode. Login as a chef mode is used by the chefs to add new menus and also to edit the existing menu. Login as a user mode is for an operator to run the machine with different features like to run the recipe, manual cleaning, end of the day cleaning, and to update any edited or added recipe from login as a chef mode. Recipe run. In login as a user mode, select the recipe that you want to run and then touch the play button on the display. Wait for the steps to appear and start feeding the ingredients into the drum as per the steps shown on the display. One can always pause the recipe if any ingredient is not added as per the recipe and add it as needed. At the completion of the recipe, the tab pops up with the notification whether to continue the cooking or to end the recipe as per SOP. If pressed yes, the drum will rotate with heat until the stop button is pressed. To collect the food, reach down below the drum position and pull the tray and place bowl, then collect the food into the bowl. Press the collected button on the display and start cleaning the drum with the help of a faucet. Now that we have understood how to run a recipe, let's understand how to update a specific recipe. Usage of login as a chef mode. Firstly, enter the passcode and enter login as a chef mode. For a new recipe, go to a new category and then provide the required contents and add the category. In category, go for the recipe to add by pressing plus button given on the bottom left corner of the tab. For recipe, please note that it must appear as published. Auto mode and temperature must be provided as per the recipe application. Always save, publish the prepared recipe and update in the login as a user mode for it to appear on the screen. For portion size to increase, copy the prepared recipe, go to the unpublished mode and make the required changes and then turn it into publish and update in login as a user mode. For more details on how to operate in chef mode, refer the user manual. And that's it. This way, we can easily key in our desired recipe into the system and have it published to use a specific recipe of your choice.